In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase resolution of an image in Photoshop. So, the first thing you want to do is of course have an image with low resolution, and I'm going to show you a hidden way of how to increase resolution very easily, okay? So the first thing you want to do is go inside Edit over here, and then go down to where it says Preferences. Now, go inside the Technology Previews, and you want to click on it. And in here, the first thing that pops up under Technology Previews is this thing which says Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale. You want to click this. There we go. Make sure it's checked up and then click OK. Now, you want to select the image and you want to go under Image, Image Size. And then once this opens up, I'm going to put it to pixels. And you can see this image is only 640 by 427, okay? And the resolution isn't very good. But now I'm going to show you, I'm going to change it to 4000, okay? There we go. And as you can see, it's trying to kind of automatically redo it and change the resolution. However, it's not too good, okay? And what you want to do over here where it says resample, you want to change it from automatic to preserve details 2.0, which is the kind of the latest technology. And when you click on it, you will see that this gives you a much better image, okay? So you can also change how much of the noise you want to reduce over here, okay? You can, as you can see, I'm changing it and it's reducing the noise. You can play with this a little bit around and see what works the best for you. I'm going to put it 10 and let's press OK. As you can now see, the image has been upscaled to 4000 by 2669, and as you can see, it looks very good. Even if I zoom in, it doesn't look that bad, okay? And that's the best thing and the best way you can do in Photoshop to increase resolution of your images. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.